Once the finance department has started the signature process, after the vendor has signed the contract, it will go to the legal team for the legal team to review the contract and to add their signature onto the contract. You will receive an email requesting to proceed to the signature. I do recommend that you log into the CMX, and a few different ways you can see this. Again, on the task pane, you can see that there is a start signature button. This center column that has the contract title, you may click on it, and it will take you into the contract where you can see who has signed the contract previously. Use the previous and next buttons to find the signature page. And here you can see the vendor, VT Trong, has signed. You can also see who is scheduled to sign after this. I am playing the legal department. Here's where I will be signing. And then finally, the GRG CEO will sign for the district here. Go back to your dashboard. Should you need to download documents, you can do that from the signature menu. It may take a moment to load. You can watch the green bar across the top. You can use the search button. You can also use the packages to find things directly for yourself. Searching for the contract package, you can see the people who are scheduled to sign. The green box or the green check mark is who has signed, and the orange is who is pending signature. You can use this download icon button to download the contract with who has signed it up to this point. Find the signature page. And here you can see where the vendor has signed, but the next two signers are not on here. Up until this point, you can also scroll to the bottom where you see the ElectroSign audit trail, where finance has started the signature process and the vendor has signed, and their IP information and browser, etc. on this page. You may start signature from this page, should you choose, or of course, in your task pane from the dashboard, start signature. Click the start button. This will jump you to the signature page. Enter in your approval or stamp information. There will be times where there will be a date that will autofill for the date for the signature. Check the I agree, and then complete signature. Give CMX a moment to load. And it will kick you back onto your dashboard, and the next signer will receive an email for them to sign. You'll see that your task for signature has been listed as completed. After all parties have signed the contract, all parties that have signed the contract will receive a signature complete email that includes the signed contract document. In CMX, you can also find these documents on the contract, which from the task, you can go into the contract number or from the side menu pane, manage contracts. I clicked on the contract number in this case. On the Documents tab, you can find, of course, all previous documents, and the signed contract will be listed here that you can review if needed at a previous time. The signers will be on the signature page. And then the last page will include the ElectroSign audit report of when and from where all the different signers signed the contract. Of note, all of the previous versions of the contract with the various edits are available for download and review in the document history tab. Should you ever need to, also, again, on the workflow status is a high level overview of the contract going through the different stages and the comments made between the contract owner and the legal team. This is a review of the CMX legal review and signature process. Thank you.